Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful crochet ladies vest designs model. Let's start the video. A ladies crochet vest is a sleeveless garment made by hand using crochet techniques, looping yarn with a hook. It is worn over tops, dresses or shirts as a stylish layering piece that adds texture, warmth and personality to an outfit. Crochet vests come in many designs, from simple and minimal to detailed and artistic. Some are light and cheery, while others are chunky and cozy. How to wear it? Over a simple t-shirt and jeans, like casual chic, with a long dress, like soft vintage cottage look, layered with kurti or traditional wear, like fusion style, over a turtleneck in winter, for cozy and warm. Why people love it? For unique and handmade feel, breathable and comfortable. Fits many aesthetics like boho, vintage or cottage core. Easy to customize, colors, length and patterns. Crochet vests are one of the easiest ways to add a handmade vintage touch to your style. Here are practical, creative tips to help you design, wear, or improve a ladies' crochet vest. Choose the right yarn. Use cotton yarn, best for hot weather. Light and breathable. Use wool or acrylic for warmer, good for winter vest. For a vintage cottage feel, go for soft, muted colors like cream, sage green, and dusty pink. Pick the right stitch pattern. Beginners use simple stitches like double crochet or half double. For vintage look, use granny squares or floral motifs, elegant style, lace or open work stitches. Get the fit right. Slightly loose fit looks more stylish and comfortable. Measure your bust and add 2 to 4 inches easy. For layering, make armholes a bit wider. Focus on color combinations. For cottage core, use pastel plus floral tones. For boho, earthy shades like brown, rust, or olive. For modern, neutral colors like white, beige, and gray. Try 2 to 3 color combinations. Instead of too many. Add beautiful details, wooden buttons or ties for a rustic feel, rings for boho vibe, pocket for both style and function, scalloped or ribbed edged for a polished finish. Styling tips, very important. Pair with plain outfits so the waist stands out. Layer over flowy dresses for a soft vintage look. Wear with jeans plus top for everyday casual. In winter, layer over full sleeves or turtlenecks. Finishing makes a big difference. Always block your vest. Shape it with water or steam. Hide loose, treat neatly. Add a clean border for a professional look. Extra creative tips. Mix granny skirts plus plain panels. Make a long waist for thematic style. Use leftover yarn for a patchwork vintage design. Try crochet plus fabric mix. Add cloth lining inside. Shape and structure trick. Make it look tailored. Use gradual decreases near armholes for a cleaner fit. Try V-neck design to make it look more elegant. Add side slits for comfort and modern style. Slight waist shaping make it look less boxy. Create a signature style. Pick a theme for your vest. Repeat a motif like small flowers or squares throughout. Stick to a consistent color story so it feels designed, not random. Layering textures, advanced look. Combine solid stitches plus maze or lace. Add small textured stitches like bobble or puff stitches. Keep texture balanced. Too many can feel heavy. Edged and powder magic uses sculptor peacock edge for a delicate vintage feel and a ribbed border for structure and neatness. A clean border can completely upgrade a simple vest. Seasonal styling ideas for summer use lightweight yarn and airy stitches. For winter, use thicker yarn and longer length. For spring, use floral motifs and soft pastel colors. For autumn, use earthy tones and layered textures. Care and longevity tips. Hand wash gently, especially cotton or wool. Dry flat to keep the shape. After folded, not hung, to avoid stressing. Smart design hacks. Make it reversible. Use neat stitches on both sides. Add hidden ties inside for adjustable fit. Use vertical stitch patterns to look taller or slimmer. Turn a short waist into a long waist later by adding rows at the bottom. Make it look boutique quality. Add a small handmade label or tag. Keep stitches even and consistent. Choose soft, premium looking colors. Style and photographs it beautifully if sharing online. Play with unique motifs and layout. Try hexagon or circular motifs. Stitch up only squares. Arrange motifs asymmetrically for a modern artistic look. Create a patchwork story using different stitch patterns in sections. Upgrade with yarn blending. Mix different yarn types. Cotton plus soft acrylic or matte plus slightly shiny. Use gradient ombre yarn for smooth color transitions. Add a little fluffy or fuzzy yarn for highlights like color and edge. Experiment with silhouettes. Cropped waist for trendy and youthful. Oversized waist for cozy and relaxed. Add a belt to create shape. Layer short waist over long trace for depth. Nature-inspired details. Add leaf or flower appliques. Embroider small veins using yarn. Use colors inspired by nature like sky, soil, or flowers. Professional finishing secrets. Steam lightly to smooth stitches. Don't overdo it. Reinforce shoulder shapes for durability. Use a slightly smaller hook for borders to keep edged trim. Check symmetry, both sides equal length and shape. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!